Good night. Welcome to the new CNN. Doctors operate without electricity. Last Wednesday, Ras missile hit the Ukrainian capital of Kiev. It happened just as doctors were performing open-heart surgery on a 14-year-old boy. The doctors were in the operating room when suddenly the light began to flicker in the room when that hospital staff quickly started a generator to get some electricity. The doctor couldn't wait for more light, so they continued to work on the operation with only the light from their phones and field flashlight. Luckily, the boy survived and was doing well after the operation. Rosa admitted that if wanting to lead Ken without electricity and water, the idea was to start Urane's fighting and nothing with Rosa. We will continue to follow the news as it develops.